I just wanted to do a bit of an introduction video. Welcome to my channel. I just wanted to take a moment to explain really why I decided to start this channel in the first place. I think it's a funny story actually how it all came to be, but I'll try to not ramble too much and kind of get through the point of it. So when I got my Instant Pot, I dove right in, and I believe that the first week I had it, I think I cooked 6 or 7 things because I was making something every single day. I was so excited to just get started and trying things. And I very soon came to find that a lot of my friends and just people, acquaintances, and good friends had the Instant Pot, but they had had it sitting in their basement for 6 months, or it was still in the box, or they still hadn't done their water test because they felt so intimidated by it and they didn't know where to start. And so instead of diving in and trying anything, they were just paralyzed. Sorry, that was so awkward. I don't know why I did that. Anyway, paralyzed with fear, just fear of failure maybe, fear of something new, whatever it is. People buy the Instant Pot and they're afraid to dive in. So I started getting bombarded with text messages, phone calls, Facebook messages from people who I talk to every day and people who I hadn't talked to in like a year. And people were contacting me, asking me things about the Instant Pot. And I was just so happy to help them, of course. But I was also surprised to find so many people that felt that they needed a helping hand to get started. So it even got to the point where I was getting phone calls from people in the middle of dinner saying, "Help, my Instant Pot is doing this weird thing. Can you help me figure it out?" And honestly, most of the time I could give some pretty good advice because I had experimented so much already early on that I had encountered a lot of these problems that people were having. And so I made a top 10 list of just the things to know about your Instant Pot on my Facebook, and people really liked it. And I continued to be contacted by people. I even had some people offer to pay me for consultation, and I offered my Instant Pot advice free of charge, but I did have someone send me a check in the mail for just helping them out with that. So it just blew up very, very quickly. I was getting daily text messages, phone calls, Facebook messages asking about Instant Potting. So what I did recently is I decided, instead of posting on Facebook all the time about my Instant Pot, because I thought, well, a lot of people really liked it, but I'm sure some people were getting sick of it on Facebook, I decided that instead I would make a channel. So I am going to be making videos of the different things that I make in the Instant Pot. Some of these things will be recipes that I have done before. Some of them will be brand new. It'll be an experiment. Might work out, might not, I don't know. But I'm fearless about the Instant Pot, so if you're feeling hesitant or intimidated by it, then let me be the guinea pig and I'll try it for you first. And then I can show you exactly what to do, and you can use my videos to help you feel more confident. That is why I started my channel, and it's called InstaBreeze because I feel like cooking with the Instant Pot makes life a breeze. Yeah, obviously. So for me, it's great. I really hope that it will be for you as well. And I would love for you to like, share, comment, everything. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and make sure that you hit that notification bell so that you know when I post new content. Because I don't want you to miss out on anything that I post. I want you to be able to follow along and try everything that interests you. So that is why I'm here. Make sure you use me for that. Make sure you comment below with any recipes that you want me to try. That is where I'm going to collect my special requests, and I'll make sure that I get to them eventually. So you let me know. I will do the experimentation for you. All right? Thanks for being here, and happy potting.